Right, pirates, we got one more treat for you as the fire's going. Smoke's going north. So our good old friend Captain Craig is going to show us our little surprise. You might want to hold it down, Craig, with the other hand as you do it. You need to do it with two hands, mate. That's it. Nice bit of orange smoke. A nice smoke salute. Oh,
it's proper mixing as well.
Yeah. A volcano has erupted.
It's like a tornado.
It is spiraling. Wow, that's so cool. 3 minutes apparently it burns for.
3 minutes.
Cool, Craig. I reckon you should fire that other thingy up in the air.
Parachute thing.
Eh?
The parachute
Yeah.
thing. Can do, yeah.
Go on then. Make sure you fire it the right way.
Over that way.
Over down towards Sandy Banks, that corner down there.
Just literally push that thing.
No, you pull it, it pulls back, no. You have to pull it down and back on itself. So the whole thing comes over this way. That's what I was doing. So just make sure you hold it up more. That's it. Oh, fuck. That went the wrong way. Well, the wind will bring it back. Shit, that went towards the town. Craig did it, not me. Yeah. Shit. It's gone out, thank fuck for that.
That was a bit dodgy.
That was scary, wasn't it, Craig?
Yeah.
Anyway, we live in Ramsgate, Kent, by the way. Just so you know. Yeah, smoke's nearly gone. Anyway, it's a pirate's life. Arr.